Okay, so I made another one of these tables, shelves, stands, whatever you want to call it. Because the last one I made was too small. But what I did with this one is I used these instead. And I also didn't glue them. So in case I need to change it, I just remove them, put different ones on it. So this one here was supposed to go around the 920, which is 16 inches wide, and the opening ended up being about 16 inches wide. So yeah, you could have shoved it onto it, but you just scraped the radio. So my idea is this will be about 24 by 24. Like 24 this way and like 23 3/4 that way. So we'll see where it'll fit, what I can do with it. I'm basically just trying to make do with what's left of this stuff. I've got more, but these are some of the oddball pieces. I've carefully like cut them to kind of try and maximize. Like, I don't care about that. That's not going to be seen. So I'm going to get some more of these done, and these are really handy for organizing. As long as they all end up being like the same height and stuff like that. Let me see. So this should be. God dang, how the hell did that end up being different? It's really weird. I think this sheet of OSB is actually thicker. To me, it looked like it actually when I grabbed it. Let me double check this thing. Yeah. So, that's hilarious. It's way thinner. This is, I don't know. I thought they color coded these, but anyway. So this being thicker is the difference of the height. It's not going to be a big deal. I mean, it's close enough. If I have to lay these next to each other. The idea is, look, it's red. It's also red, but it's not the same thickness. Oh, that's crazy. So anyway. Oh well. So I'm thinking that I might put that in there on top of the 920 with a speaker next to it and some other stuff. So let me go ahead and just try that now. All right, this isn't going to work either. Almost, but not quite. So I think it's going to come over here. All this stuff's going to go over there. But yeah, this is too much. I'm losing all the real estate behind the radio. I can still reach behind the radio, which is great. But also, it's so big, I think it's going to trap in a lot of heat. And the speaker's up a little higher than I want. So I might just go back to, something different. But I think I'm going to try it on this table here because this is a mess. I can elevate the monitor and put these speakers on top of that. So I think that's what I'll do. Yeah, I don't think that's going to work either. Well, if it was shorter and longer, because I can't put both the speakers on there. I don't know. If it went all the way across, I could even put the tower on it, but that's not going to work. I got to figure out something else. I might be able to put it up on this other thing and just put one of the printers on it, just to decide what I'm going to do with it later. Or it could go back here, and just maybe, yeah, it might be able to just go back here. I think that's probably what I'll end up doing. Just put it right in the corner, stack stuff on it, and then I can shove a stereo behind it. I think that's what I'll do. I think. I don't know. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it over here for now. I don't know. Really, I know one thing: you can't run the stereo underneath that. It gets too hot. It could be on the top, but I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do with certain stuff. But this does actually help quite a bit. But it's just kind of not the right dimensions for me. So, because this thing could go all the way back quite a bit. No, not a lot, but it would be nice. It'd probably shorten it up. I don't know. We'll just, I'm not taking it apart. Just gonna leave it like it is, and we'll deal with it later. Put it back like that because you really can't get too much underneath there anyway.